I absolutely love spring and summer. Because of the weather, obviously, also the daylight is 4:30 in the morning and very bright day already. More time and hours for exploring. Maybe I figured it out. I got up before midges. They not eating me yet, so maybe that's the trick. Get up early, pack your stuff and carry on. I need to strap my rubbish somehow. Perfect. This rubbish is not going anywhere. Oh. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. That was scary. That was scary. My lovely lady absolutely need the stunt extender, the wider bit. First stop will be public toilets for sure. After that, sausage buoy or sausage roll somewhere, cheap and filling. And after, I'm gonna head to one lake which I skipped or passed when I was visiting Scotland before, and I didn't want to go too deep into Scotland because tomorrow I have to go back, and that will be, further I go, the longer the return journey is, and 3 days is not enough at all to visit Scotland. Better than nothing, of course. I'm not complaining. I'm very happy to be here. I love this country, and perhaps one day I will live here. We'll see. So the bike is not 100% sorted. There is still issue with the clutch, and 3 mechanics at it and couldn't do it. Hopefully one day. Anyway, let's start moving. I'm really hungry. Very, very hungry. And I'm rude when I'm hungry. And bouncy boulders. I hope people won't dislike this video because too much shit is going on, and it's a paid service.
Welcome. Please wait for confirmation.
Yes? No? Authorization?
Thank you.
Yes. My lovely lady, I'm not giving you this bike back. And no unauthorized vehicles. That is a sad. Because I have time, I randomly chose place not far from here. Hopefully I will have more look there, and we'll see. The best part of these adventures is I never know where I'm going to sleep, and if I'm gonna pitch next to the road or I will find something beautiful like yesterday. Beautiful lake. Sorry, I need to start saying loch. I'm in Scotland, so beautiful loch. I like almost all of them. Anyway, fence. So I need to look where I am and where to go next. Okay, end of public road. It was fun and beautiful, and I don't know where I'm sleeping tonight yet. Let's go back. I need empty memory card, empty memory card. The water is so clean here. Wow, like somewhere in Greece or Italy. Absolutely clear water. Absolutely. I think I start going back slowly because all this area there is a signs all over the place. No parking, no camping, no fires. So beautiful, very beautiful it is, but I can't really sleep here according to the signs. So I'm gonna go back. The more I go back, less miles I have to do tomorrow on the way home, less hours. I wish I had more time, but better than nothing. Absolutely beautiful here. As I am heading to the place where I know I can definitely pitch the tent, unless it's fully taken by other people, but I'm getting very exhausted. I'm riding like from 5 a.m. till now is 6 o'clock p.m. and I'm really getting exhausted, and I need to pitch anytime soon and get some rest. And the place I know about is still about 1 hour ride. So I'm thinking and looking to hide in a place like this. Maybe I will try a little bit further over there. From here it seems like I could be hidden more, not visible from the road, but I don't know if there is access to that place. So let's have a look. I just noticed one thing. I didn't put avoid ferries. Oh no. So that means I have to ride all the way back. Because that thing there, I was a ferry. Oh, another hour. Very tired. And this place it is then. try this at home. Stone, stone, stone. Stone. I feel better when the bike is close to my tent and perhaps more hidden. And this thing here wasn't fun at all. Definitely bigger stone. First thing, absolutely first thing, try this, because the midge is here. The midge is here. Oof. As usual, Scotland. No access to the fridge. That'll be fine. I started small campfire to discourage midges from the area, and now I'm going to pitch the tent. Of course, I think same thing will happen with beer. How little one needs to be happy. Just some burning wood and tent and beer after a beautiful long day ride. Something missing still. Lovely lady. Just out of my curiosity, I went to have a look how visible my tent and bike is, and if you know where to look, it's visible, but when you driving or riding, focusing on the road, you have glance at the view, and then you need to look back what is happening on the tarmac, and you miss my tent and bike being somewhere there in a distance. Very good. Sausages, beans and baguette. Fantastic dinner. Time to pack and hit the miles back home. Coffee and sausage roll somewhere on the way. My adventure ending here. I overslept 1 hour. I meant to wake up at 4, but I woke up at 5. That's fine. without stops. GPS says back home 6 hours 51 minutes, 362 miles. With some stops, I would say it will be like 8.5 hours with breaks. It was absolutely beautiful. Yeah, Midge is eating me already. Oof. It was absolutely beautiful escape from daily routine. And I can't wait for more. I can't wait for more when I get my holiday and when we go with lovely lady. Have a good day, afternoon or evening, and ride safe. And my bike is heading the wrong direction. Need to turn. I absolutely love the weight of this bike.